Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable QHD plus resolution, which maximizes sharpness on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! Okay guys, so all we need to do is swipe up and go to settings. Then we look for display, which is right here. Then we scroll down till we see screen resolution. We click it, and here we click QHD plus, and then we click apply. The bigger the resolution, the sharper the images are. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.